All right, what's going on? Got this big old electric motor here. We are going to go ahead and scrap it out, and hopefully it has copper on the inside of it. Fingers crossed that there's no aluminum. First thing we're going to do is take this off. And I'm not even going to mess with the front fan. I have an idea. Let's see if it works. Either it's going to go great or it's going to go horrible. Good thing about it, the way it is now, it's like a lazy Susan. Pull this top off. One bolt. Two. Let's see if we get this off. Pull that off. Now we're going to take these 4 bolts off. I'm going to pull these bolts out, 11/16. They're pretty big and thick. They're going to go into prepared. We're going to take our maul and we're going to crack one side. This sucker's heavy. Let's come over here. Crack this side. We're gonna have to give it one more schwack. Really thick, gonna go into prepared. Cut these wires off. These wires are pretty good. So this piece right here is going to go into the later pile. Pull that off. That's also going to go into the prepared. All right. Let's see. We got copper. Get this out of here. And there we go. We've got a very big copper motor. And look at this. We've got one very big copper motor. Oh yeah. Thank you. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Feel free to comment. You guys have a good one.